Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuel filter on a Ford Ranger 3. 2. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is on a stable, level surface and that you have all the right tools. It's crucial to disconnect the battery's negative terminal to avoid any electrical problems. Also, remember to relieve the fuel system pressure. This is a vital step for your safety and to prevent fuel spills. Now, let's locate the fuel filter. On a Ford Ranger 3. 2, it's usually found underneath the vehicle, often near the fuel tank or along the frame rail. Once you've found it, place a suitable drain pan directly below to collect any residual fuel. Then, carefully disconnect the fuel lines from each end of the filter. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to spill. Finally, unclip or unbolt the old filter from its mounting bracket. With the old filter removed, it's time to install the new one. Pay close attention to the flow arrow on the new filter. It must point in the direction of fuel flow towards the engine. Securely attach the new filter into its mounting bracket. Then, carefully reconnect the fuel lines to both ends of the filter, ensuring they click into place or are tightened properly. Take a moment to double-check all your connections for tightness and proper seating. For the final steps, reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition key to the on position for a few seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process about 3 to 4 times to prime the fuel system. Now, carefully check around the new filter for any signs of fuel leaks. If everything looks good, start the engine and listen for smooth operation, confirming your successful fuel filter replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.